Another brother. Oh, yeah.
You filming?
Yeah.
So basically, everyone, Michael, the mechanic here, reckons that we need to take the whole head off and then pull the motor. So that's exactly what we're doing. He's taking off the fuel filter housing, and I'm just disconnecting this exhaust. And yeah, we'll go from there. What's happening here, Michael?
Just taking off your fucking coolant hoses.
Oh yeah. How you going over there, Lane?
Good.
Good?
Yeah, mate.
Just going?
Yeah, mate.
That's the go.
That happens.
Yeah. Boys are hooking in. Beautiful work, mate. Beautiful work, mate.
So Anthony just pulled it.
Oh yeah. Getting somewhere.
Touch this last up, that's touch this plastic up there. Plastic fucking all on you fucking push rods.
Don't mess him up.
Beautiful.
Don't forget.
Don't forget.
Don't fuck it up.
Alright, ratchet time.
Got a little something on your mouth, mate.
Where? Oh, it's so slippery. So basically, we got this far before I remembered that we have to drop the oil. So we've got the lovely apprentice down here, dropping the oil.
Apprentice.
Beautiful work, mate.
Apprentice.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, you don't.
How did that shut your fucking mouth?
This bastard is on tight.
Let me have a look here. Yeah.
Yeah, it's on tight.
Yeah, it's definitely on there.
Oh, is there any bolts missing?
I don't think so. I'm going to triple check. What the fuck? So a bit of a shit. Oh, the nut's gone too. That's fucking great.
I was about to go home too.
Make sure.
Why don't you just spin it by hand?
Fuck's sake, cunt. Well, we were pulling out the injectors. We had a bit of trouble pulling the head up, but this back injector was so tight, we cranked it, and the whole head come loose. So I'm gonna take the head out now. He's a heavy bastard. There's that head gasket. Oh, beautiful. That's a heavy bastard. Sub over. Can you get that back in? I'm gonna grab that. Yeah. We're getting dangerously close. How close are we, Michael?
Fucking couple bolts away.
Couple bolts away.
Out it comes.
Bell housing, mounts, and up she goes.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Hypothetically. Got all the head up here, all mounted up, all marked out and shit. Righto, that's us done for the day. It's all day's effort. Got the whole head off, got everything out, everything's all disconnected, so she will be ready to pull the motor out next time we work on her. But yeah, see you later.
Here's a word from our sponsors. Keeping everything at 7 Cross HQ. Excellent.
How good are them? Synchro spanners.
They're right.
They're pretty good, eh?
They're right. I got mine for fucking cheaper from Gear Range.
Yeah, I got mine.
Yep.
Hey, come on. Get him.
Fuck off, cunt.
Just scare it, Michael. Push it.
Don't.
What's up, bitch ass nigga? Ah! Yeah.
What have you been doing, mate?
Oh, just
What have you been doing?
Just-
That was out about half an hour ago.
just did that bit, yeah.
What else have you been doing?
Yeah, I've just been looking underneath, just getting a scope of what's going on.
Gravel.
Yeah, no, just see what's going on, yeah. What have you been doing?
Everything.
Oh, yeah.
Not fucking good payment there.
Michael doing absolutely fuck all as usual.
Just watching news.
Me and Lame are doing all the hard work.
Heavy lifting.
Yeah. Useless cunt.